Hello, graduating seniors. I'm Janene Petrie, your advisor and director of the Adult Undergraduate Programs at the Frederick Mount St. Mary's campus. Congratulations! Your hard work and perseverance has paid off as you can now celebrate your degree completion. The Mount has designed 2 events to honor seniors and created a webpage entitled Celebrating the Class of 2020. The webpage includes messages to the class of 2020 from commencement speaker Heath P. Tarbert, class of 98, and President Trainer. The majority of students want to celebrate together rather than have a virtual commencement, so the university is still considering having a celebration in late summer or early fall. All of the current commencement information lives on the msmary.edu/commencement page, and it will be updated as new information arises. Herff Jones has reopened online ordering. If you wish to purchase your cap and gown, students should order regalia and take pictures to post on social media and send to your families. This is your milestone accomplishment, and you should be a proud graduate. You can go directly to the Mount St. Mary's University ordering form on the Herff Jones website, herff, herff.ly/MSM. You may order online and your cap and gown will be shipped directly to you. The Herff Jones site is live through June 16th. Stay tuned for more information by June 1st and keep checking the commencement webpage. The Frederick campus of Mount St. Mary's University is hosting a virtual open house on May 20th from 11 to 2 for undergraduate admissions and graduate school admissions. If you know someone who wants to jumpstart their degree completion, or if you are ready to move into a master's program, see the link on the screen to Zoom in on May 20th. It has been a pleasure walking with you on your journey to turn your tassel. We cannot wait to acknowledge your graduation in person. Thank you, best wishes, and congratulations.